Hello student, this is gradient form or slope intercept form. In this equation we assume the line has a slope and a y-intercept, means it intersects the y-intercept, which means it intersects y-axis at the point suppose 0 comma c. Okay, so we have a point a, that is 0 comma c, where c is equal to y-intercept, and slope m, then by point slope form we write y minus c1 is equal to m into x minus 0. Okay, so from here I can write y minus c1, c is equal to mx, and y is equal to mx plus c. So this is the equation of straight line, where this is slope and this is y-intercept. This form is called gradient form. Okay, thank you.